The Kernel Slack to Teams migration is a professional software that allows you to migrate Slack data, including direct messages and channels, to Teams chat or Teams channels. It provides an advanced search option to find specific users in source and destination. Robust features of the Kernel Slack to Teams migration tool. Migrate Slack direct messages and group chat to Teams chat. Migrate Slack channels to Microsoft Teams channels. Transfer Slack private and public channels to Teams channels and Teams chat. Migrate Slack channels data into existing teams or new teams. Quicker Slack to Teams migration with batch migration functionality. Utilize incremental features to skip previously migrated data. Transfer all your Slack data, including settings, permissions, digital documents, hyperlinks, and other relevant metadata. Migrate direct messages to Microsoft Teams chat. Launch the Kernel Slack to Teams migration software. Click on Get Started in Slack Migration tile on the software's homepage. In the source, Slack wizard, click on Add to map Slack users one by one. Also, click Import CSV to upload a CSV file containing username and user auth token. In the following window, select CSV file and click Open. The software will validate the user auth token and show that CSV is imported and validated successfully message. Click OK. If you have added multiple Slack users, utilize the search box to find selective users and click Next. In the destination, Microsoft Teams wizard, enter project name and Teams credentials. The software will start fetching Teams users. The software will pop up user mapping for direct messages and channels between source and users. Use the search option to find specific users, map them with the destination user, and click Next. In the Source Entities to Migrate window, select Direct Message and click Next. In the following wizard, search and select a specific user. After that, click Next to start the migration process. Once the migration process is completed, the tool will show Migration is completed message and click OK. To download a detailed migration report, click on Save as Report. Select the CSV file saving location, enter the CSV file name, and click Save. Once the CSV file is saved, you will get Saved Successfully message and click OK. Click on Finish to end the migration process. Finally, click on Yes to end the migration process. With the above process, you can easily migrate Slack direct messages and group chat to Microsoft Teams chat. However, to perform a hassle-free Slack channels to Microsoft Teams chat migration, stay tuned for our next video. To download software, visit the given link. Have a great day.